we, the students of the Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, are privileged to be hosting Mr. Aditya Sharma, President and Business Head, Virtual Offices at Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. After a highly informative session, we now have a few questions for Sir. The first question is, in the last 19 years, the insurance market has grown almost 20 times over. What, according to you, has been the single biggest reason behind this?
I think insurance industry was opened up in 2001. There were only four public sector players who were operating in the industry, and now we have 34 players. When insurance market was opened for private sector players, they came up with a lot of innovation, the products and the reach, the distribution has increased. Earlier, if you see the development officers, or for that matter, the traditional agents were the only people who were selling general insurance, and people were not aware about the products. But in last 20 years, we have a lot of channels which have come up. We have agency now, we have banks, bank insurance business has come up as a new model. We have web sales where people can go directly on the website and buy insurance from there. We have insurance brokers coming in after opening up of insurance sector. We have more than close to 300 brokers who are working in a very professional and organized way. And where we have virtual offices now. We have now many players in e-commerce also. They want to provide insurance protection to their customers. So there are a lot of affinity programs with the manufacturers, OEMs like Mercedes, BMW, Maruti, every manufacturers of the vehicle, they are also into the distribution of insurance. So everything put together have increased the penetration, awareness, and of course, each one of us have come together to enhance the customer experience. So if the customer is getting better services and experience, the insurance penetration is moving up. That was the main reason, and I'm still thinking this is just the beginning.
Thank you, sir, for all those insights. The next question, sir, as we were talking about virtual offices, so how was the experience in approaching collaborators such as auto dealers in taking the virtual office model forward?
See, in virtual office is nothing but you are having an app which is like an office on the go. You can do all the work that you are doing in your office with the help of an app. Now, as the younger generations are moving everything on the app, so I think it's very convenient. So whenever we approach any collaborator, they also find it very convenient. We integrate with them, we provide them our portal, we provide them our app. They can issue their policies there and then. They are very happy and we are getting very good response from it. I think it's a great experience working with them. It's a win-win situation for our distributors, the motor dealers, and for us also, where we can service our customers in a much better way than normal brick and mortar offices where you have a lot of inconveniences in terms of logistics and all. So now it's office on the go at your doorstep and in your hand. So you can do all the transaction with the help of this. It's a good experience.
Thank you, sir. So the last question for you is, how was your experience here interacting with the students of VGSOM, and what message would you like to give them?
I think it's a great experience. I always like interacting with people, especially youngster, because we get a lot of insights and we get to know that what kind of thinking that the new generation is having towards insurance, towards their safety, security, and I was very impressed the kind of questions, the kind of detailing the students have had, and they were curious. So best thing about any student is that if they are curious, they will be able to make it big one day. Whether they have the experience or not, one day they will. So I think they are on the right track. They are asking right question. They had come prepared. I was very happy. The information had given me a lot of learning for me personally also. I think the only message that I keep on giving to all the students whom I interact with in this. So don't think that the life after the degree will be very convenient or very rosy. You will have to slog a lot. You will have to work hard. So be prepared. Prepare yourself for that. and put your attention to the details, because if you are not putting more efforts to get into the details and you are not willing to apply your knowledge and you are not solving any customer problem and providing convenient solution to your customers, and you are not keeping your customer in the focus in your careers, you will not achieve the kind of dreams you have. So I wish all of them a very prosperous and happy, you cannot say happy, but a glorious future in times to come. All the best, do well. I think you have a very good infrastructure outside, you have very good you know the kind of environment, business environment, and the convenience and the kind of regulations now are very eased. When we started our career, the market was not opened up. Now everything is open. You have a lot of things to experiment. You have a lot of other things which you can experiment, and practically you can do a lot of things which you wish that you would have done in the past, but now you have that opportunity to do a lot of things in a better way. Don't miss it. So thank you very much. That is the message.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir, for all these insights and perspectives that you've shared with us. It was a great experience interacting.
Thank you very much.
Thank
The
you,
pleasure
sir.
was all mine. Thanks.